I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have September's GLOSSYBOX to share with you. So GLOSSYBOX did send this to me. The theme this month is like spa, taking care of yourself, pure relaxation. That's what it actually says on the card over here. So there was, lots of pampering things in here, which I really appreciate. I did, however, notice that there was zero makeup, and I thought, GLOSSYBOX is not like Ipsy. Like Ipsy, it's, you feel it's all about the beauty items, whereas GLOSSYBOX, I feel it has, more like skincare, body care, toothpaste, random things like that, and it's not always about makeup, which honestly, I have so much makeup, I don't need anymore. But it's always nice to get things like skincare and, things like that. So anyway, let me just show you what's in the box, and then we can talk more about that later. Okay, so the first thing in here is this moisturizer. This is Astaxanthin. I'm so good at pronouncing things. And this is a collagen all-in-one gel. So I thought it was gonna be more of a gel texture. It's really more of a creamy, and it has kind of a vitamin C feel to it. It doesn't really smell like much, but I think it's the orange that makes me think of like a vitamin C cream. I'm pretty sure that I had something like this. Anyway, I've been using this for about a week now. I mostly use it at night, but I have been using it during the day as well, especially when I'm not wearing makeup and just need some extra hydration. I really like this. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be, but it is definitely moisturizing. I would say definitely more of a night cream than a day cream though, just because it is like, it's more of a heavy duty cream for sure. I mean, it's thick. Like this is not coming out of here. It is a very thick cream, but it has a nice consistency. It doesn't have a strong smell. I hate scented things on my face. Especially like really strong perfumey smells. Like no, I don't want that. On my body, yes. On my face, no. So anyway, really liking this moisturizer. I think it's great. And the MSRP on this is $49. So, that's the price of your box right there, doubled. Okay, the next thing in here is this Stress Check Clean Hands No Rinse formula from This Works. It's a hand sanitizing gel, but it smells very strong. This stuff, I put some on and I was like, whoa, this is like aromatherapy. So it says that it has lavender, chamomile, and neroli oil. The scent of it is actually really nice, but it lingers too. So, but that's one of those things. It's like you wash your hands and then you go, everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay. And then, you get little whiffs as you go about doing things. So, it's one of those things that I will definitely keep handy. Okay, this is from Terre de Mars. Again, so good at pronouncing things. And this is a body cleanser. It's a body wash. It's very runny. That is my only complaint about this. Like when I go to, put it on my loofah or whatever, it's just like, and I feel like I'm just dumping the whole thing on there. You can hear it like shaking in there. I don't know, I always like gel cleansers, I just think of as being thicker. It does have a nice scent to it, but it's not very strong. Bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, verbena oil, and aloe. So it's supposed to be really good for your skin as well as, just being a nice low foaming cleanser. So I've been using this, I like it, I feel like it does a good job and it feels nice on my skin and all of that. And hopefully it's doing lovely things to my whole body. So also, this little mitt, it's a little bit of a scrubby, so you can get a little exfoliation. I really like using this before I shave. I have my big like loofah thing, which I prefer just in general, but I like this for like getting a good scrub because it's not like super scratchy, but it's definitely got a little texture on there so that it, you get a little exfoliation. And so for like before you shave, or if you're gonna put on some tanning stuff, or if you just need extra exfoliation, this is really nice. And you pair the two and ba-boom, you have beautiful, wonderful skin. And then toothpaste. I've been using this. It is a natural toothpaste from David's, and it is whitening and anti-plaque. It's natural peppermint. And like a lot of natural toothpastes, it tastes like natural toothpaste. It's not like overly minty, but I just brush my teeth and my mouth feels clean and fresh, and I like it. I'm all about like using natural products and stuff, so I think this is great. And I know like my sister is allergic to Crest, so I might just keep this around for her when she comes over and needs to brush her teeth, and then she can use this because I like this, and I like it better than like Tom's. I don't know where you can get it. I've never seen it before. I'm sure you can just buy it online, of course, like everything, right? But I definitely, I have been enjoying this. It's not one of those toothpaste that I'm like, oh, this tastes like chalk and is disgusting. Because I've had those before too. And then the final little bonus item in here is a couple of packets from Sigmatic. I didn't even open these because they have a full box of this in my pantry. I love Sigmatic products. It's just like a powder that you can pour into hot water, and they have lots of different things for different stuff. So this one is their mushroom cacao mix with reishi. So all of their things have mushrooms in them, and the mushrooms, it doesn't taste like mushroom, don't worry, but mushrooms have lots of wonderful stuff in them, and this one is for relaxing and chilling. They also have a really great one for like gut health, and they have coffee alternatives, and I really like Sigmatic. They have a lot of really wonderful stuff. I really like their turmeric one too. But this one is one of my favorites because it tastes like hot chocolate. It does have a little bit of sweetness in it, and it has cinnamon. So if you like cinnamon in your hot chocolate, which I do, I love, then I would definitely try these because this is amazing. I love this stuff. So anyway, I was happy to get a couple extra little packets of that. Great box. I felt like everything went with the theme of relaxation and pampering yourself and getting that extra body scrub and some nice shiny teeth and moisturized skin, right? I love it. I love it. I think it's great. So anyway, really enjoying this month's box. Oh, and then they have a little thing in here about their advent calendar that's coming up. So this is a great like gift thing to give to somebody, but you have to do it at the beginning of December and do your countdown because every day has a little treat in it. So that's really exciting. They have that coming up. So, you know, if you are interested, I would go ahead and sign up for that, if not just the box in general. I will leave all of the information in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!